Hi, hello, how are you? I hope so you all are fine and safe. Me, Lavina Walder, I'm going to take you the topic today, that is excretion. Human excretory system. We are talking about human excretory system. It consists of renal arteries, kidney, renal vein, aorta, urethra, vena cava, urinary bladder and urethra. Main function of excretory system, it will remove all metabolic waste, which are the waste present in our body. It will remove all the waste from our body. Renal artery, there are two types of artery, left and right. Renal artery, it will brings blood from heart. It is bringing the blood from heart. Okay, renal artery, it is bringing the blood from heart. And renal veins, it will send the purified blood to the heart. Purify blood to the heart. It will purify all the metabolic waste and it will send to the heart. After that purification of the blood, the metabolic waste, it will pass from urethra, right and left urethra, to the urinary bladder and urethra. Let us study one by one. So kidney consists of different types of nephrons. So nephron, it will remove all the metabolic waste. It will filter the metabolic waste. This is the structure of nephron. Nephron consists of renal artery, okay, Bowman capsule, glomerulus, tubular part of nephron, collecting duct, branch of renal vein, in Henle's loop. There are 1.2 million nephrons are present in one kidney. Afferent broad renal tubule, it will collect impure blood, and deferent narrow renal tubule, it will collect pure blood. So afferent renal tubule, it will collect, this is afferent. Okay, this is afferent renal tubule, and this is renal artery. You can see over here, this is deferent, it is narrow. And branch of renal artery, this is broad. This will, the branch of renal artery, it is collecting impure blood from the heart, and renal artery, it is collecting, it is purifying the blood and it is collecting the pure blood, and from this pure blood, you can see the arrow mark, it is passed to the heart. Okay, this is the function. After that, renal tubule, that is afferent broad renal tubule, it will collect impure blood and it will pass to Bowman's capsule. So in Bowman capsule, the salts will move in Bowman capsule. There are different types of salts are there. It is moving in Bowman capsule. It is only moving. Salts are only moving. Then it is passed to cilia. This arrow mark, you can see, no, this is nothing but it is a cilia. Okay, it is cilia. That arrow mark is nothing but cilia. From cilia, it moves to glomerular part of nephron. Okay, it consists of that salts, it is urea, amino acid, glucose, salt and water. So it passes to glomerular part of nephron. Tubular part of nephron. Why we call it as tubular part of nephron? Because the shape, it is like a coiled shape. That is the reason we call it as tubular. Okay, coiled shape, we call it as tubular, and the consists of amino acids, urea, glucose, salt and water. It is passed to tubular part of nephron. So tubular part of nephron, it will undergo selective reabsorption. In selective reabsorption, it will absorb amino acid and glucose. So okay, in tubular part of nephron, it is absorbing what? Only amino acids and glucose. Okay, we call it as reabsorb. It is absorbing and it is passed to the blood. Okay, amino acids and glucose. Next, the blood, no, it is passed from tubular part of nephron, then it is passed to Henle's tubule. Okay, from here the blood, it is passed to the Henle's loop. From this all these tubes you can see, right? From these tubes the blood it will flow to, sorry, from these tubules the blood it will flow to the Henle's loop. From here the blood it is flowing to the Henle's loop. From here to here the blood it will pass, okay, and from here to here then it is flowing. This is the main procedure. Okay, from here it is passing from the tubule, from here to here it is passing, and the blood it is flowing to the Henle's loop. This is the Henle's loop. So in Henle's loop, now amino acids and glucose are not there. So in Henle's loop generally it will absorb only salt and water. Okay, amino acid and glucose it is not there. Now what happened, it will absorb only salt and water. So salt and water it will absorb, it is called as osmoregulation. Because why it will absorb salt and water? During the summer season you will sweat. Yes, you will sweat in summer season. So whenever your summer season you are sweating, your sweat it will smell like stinking smell, right? So it is removing salt as well as water from your body. Okay, so it is absorbing the salt and water. So what is left out now? Urea. Urea it is a nitrogenous waste. Okay, urea it is a nitrogenous waste. Urea plus water it is collected in a collecting duct. After that from the glomerular tubule the blood it will flow to the, from here you can see it will pass to Henle's loop tubule. From there again it is collected to the collecting duct. This is called as collecting duct. So it is passed to collecting duct, then it is passed to urethra, then urinary bladder, then urethra, okay, in the form of urea. Okay, urine it is totally removed. Urine plus water it is totally removed. This is the excreta system. Okay, it is passed to urethra, that is urine plus water it is present in the kidney. From urethra then urinary bladder, and it will pass in the form of urine. So when urinary bladder full urine it is collected, okay, full urine when it will become full, the wall of the urethra will open, and how much amount of water you will drink, that much amount of urine you will pass. If you will drink less amount of water, less urine you will pass. If you will drink more amount of the water, more urine you will pass. Okay, this is the function of nephron. Excretion in plants. You know, plants will also excrete. It will also throw the waste things from their body. During the photosynthesis it will absorb water and salt, and what plants will remove as a waste? Oxygen gas. Okay, it will remove as a waste during photosynthesis as oxygen gas. This is also called as excretion. It is excreting oxygen gas from plant body. One waste, oxygen as a waste. Next, second one, it will remove, the waste leaves and all it will fall, right? This is also a excretion in plants. Dried leaves it will fall down, excretion. And you can see that some of the trees and plants it will remove the gums, resins and gums it will come out. That is also excretion in plants, it will take place. Next, transpiration. Okay, it will lose the water during transpiration. That is also excretion takes place in plants. I have already discussed about transpiration. Okay, transpiration I have already discussed in the part 1 video. So in transpiration it takes place where it will remove the waste from the plant body. That is called as excretion in plants. Thank you students for watching. Me Lavina ma'am. You can subscribe my channel. There is a down button to subscribe, so you can watch the latest video of 10th standard. Thank you.